Let's start. Hello guys, so today we are going to be looking at how you can convert an image for free and how you can perform batch conversion of your images from one format to another. So we are going to be looking at conversion from one different form to another today. And if you want to convert your image, the best and easy way to do that is to use Convertall.xyz. XYZ is totally free. You can see this image converter is totally free. You don't need to pay, there's no premium plan. So you just choose your file. I'm going to be using this is a PNG image, so I'm going to be using it and converting it to JPEG. Click on convert. So you can see it has completed, and I can download it from here. So once you click this, it will take you to download your image. You can see I have it here. I have my image, and then if you want to perform a batch download, all you just need to do is hold down Control and select the images you want to convert. So I'm going to click on batch conversion. So it's going to, you can see it's processing, and then I have my zip here. This is a zip file, so you can see start download, and then I can open folder. I can extract it, extract all, and I have my images here. You can see these are converted high-end images. You can close. So basically that's how you convert your images for free. You can convert even raw files and HEIC formats to any other format, and you can convert to HEIC, to TIFF, JPEG, PNG. You can even convert your raw files also. It supports converting raw files to other formats. So that's it for today. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.